Hi, in this video, you're going to see how to use Customer IO for your email marketing. So first, why we want to use Customer IO? We want to use Customer.io because there are powerful automations. So you can send personalized emails based on user behavior. It's an ideal software for SaaS, e-commerce, and subscription businesses, and it includes different features like segmentation and real-time data integration. So first, we want to set up our account. So we'll sign up, connect, and track different users' actions. So you go on the website here. So customer.io. Start a trial. It's load. Wait a bit. So then you write first name, last name, and email address. After setting up my passwords and my emails, we set up our customer.io account. So there's different information to share here. Okay, so now I entered in my account on customer.io. Then we are going to create a campaign. And then we are trying to create a campaign. So I tested a bit before. So let's go test. So we create a campaign. So there's different elements, whether it's trigger, settings, etc. So imagine we are using a form. For example, I'll take a form here. So my form here. Just for our example, it's not a form created for this use case. That's okay. Simple exist. Okay, already use it. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so I deleted the previous campaign, and so it should work. So let's say with the form, we choose a form. We take this one, put it here. Oh, some bugs. Okay, so I used another form to do the test. So here's the form I used. So just ask the name. So let's call it test. Then so ID or email. Is it for email? Okay, we'll do it later. And okay, so your changes, continue. Okay, perfect. So here we can manage our settings. So whether we want to change something, control message limit, etc. Then we can add a goal to our campaign. So it's best to measure the success of a campaign. For example, whether customer clicks on the button at the end of the email, for example. We'll do it in this example. Then we have the workflow. So what happens, for example, for the test, we do a test, then they received an email, for example. So email one test. Let's add some content. So let's take an example. For example, the newsletter template. Just test. Hello, test. Okay. Software is a bit long to charge, I guess. hello customer.io. So here we can save. And we can send this to this email address, for example. It's the email address I use. So if I go to my inbox, a bit, yeah, hello from customer.io. So we can see that I successfully received the email. So in the final step, we can see all the different steps we went through and verify that everything is okay. Then we can start the campaign, for example. Show campaign overview. And so here we can track all the data we need to make sure that we get more customers using email marketing. So what's important in your emails is several things. You have to keep it short and compelling. So your email has to provide value in the minimum of time. Wait a bit. So you need to keep it short and relevant for your businesses and your customers. Then you can personalize it and with some good design aspects, etc. And especially write good call to actions to make sure customers do what you want them to do. For example, clicking on the link to upgrade their account. So what you want to track in the end, it's open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. So the metrics we want to make sure that our email campaign is successful. So you can see it on your customer.io account. So that's it for the video. And you can also do some integrations like with Zapier, segment your audience based on information, whether it's, for example, B2B SaaS, B2C, etc. You can do more with Slack and call sheets. And if you want to implement it in your business, you can click on the tally link in the description to get a free audit for 100% performance-based email marketing offer. So that's it for the video.